Let me in. He gave in. Count me in. He's not in. I'll get in. Mary came in. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. May I come in? I am in London. Please come in. I live in Japan. My father is in. I believe in him. I believe in you. Rome is in Italy. We're in a hurry. Bill was in Japan. He came in person. She's in the bath. They are in class. Are you in a hurry? He arrived in time. She invited him in. We swam in the sea. Believe in yourself. He was born in Ohio. I arrived in London. She works in a bank. Tom is in the house. We swam in the lake. What is in the desk? Don't let the dog in. I once lived in Rome. I paid $200 in taxes. Lincoln died in 1865. Please keep in touch. Wait in line, please. He deals in furniture. He had to stay in bed. He may be sick in bed. He works in a factory. I live in the country. Keep in touch with me. She acted in the play. She lives in New York. Turn in your homework. Why don't you come in? Can we talk in private? He is in love with her. He was in good spirits. He went in place of me. He went off in a hurry. I ate lunch in a hurry. I saw a woman in black. I was in the mountains. I'm living in the city. She is in need of help. She majored in history. She was dressed in red. The cat is in the well. They live in this town. We live in the suburbs. You should stay in bed. I fell in love with her. I saw tears in her eyes. It is dark in that room. It was dark in the room. She is dressed in white. She is in her hotel now. She is in love with him. She wouldn't let him in. Tom is blind in one eye. What do you do in Japan? You are in a safe place. Come in, the door's open. Don't play in the street. He fell in love with her. He put his room in order. He's in bed with the flu. I am interested in music. I gave in to her demands. I have an ache in my arm. I never saw him in jeans. I put cream in my coffee. I was caught in a shower. It's in my jacket pocket. My father is in his room. My mother is sick in bed. She was in a great hurry. The train got in on time. A gun might come in handy. Can you pay me in advance? He lives in a large house. He lives in the next town. He was in time for school. He went to London in 1970. I didn't hear you come in. I got some sand in my eye. I keep a diary in English. I was disappointed in her. I was disappointed in him. I was in bed with the flu. My father was in the Navy. She fell in love with him. She visited him in Boston. She was born in the 1950s. She was injured in a fall. She's in the hospital now. There's a hair in my soup. They are both in the room. You're wrong in this case. All's fair in love and war. I have a friend in England. I haven't seen you in ages. I tried in vain to open it. I was in London last month. I will call you in an hour. I wish I were in Paris now. It's 4:30 in the afternoon. It's easy to work in jeans. Ken was in Japan last year. My brother works in a bank. Rome wasn't built in a day. She lives in a large house. She put the key in her bag. She stared him in the face. She's never fallen in love. The castle is now in ruins. The diet is now in session. There were 10 eggs in all. There's no one in the room. Tom is in bed with a fever. Write in the date yourself. You can go there in a boat. Are you happy in your house? Don't talk in the classroom. Has she ever fallen in love? Hold the ball in both hands. I am interested in swimming. I'll be back in 10 minutes. My father is in his 50s. She first met him in Boston. She was flowers in her hand. She is proficient in French. She stabbed him in the back. She stays in touch with him. The train arrived in London. There is a hole in his sock. There's a hole in this sock. They found Tom in the crowd. Who is the person in charge? Write your name in capitals. All our efforts were in vain. Both of them are in the room. Do you have jeans in my size? Have you ever sung in public? He gave in to the temptation. He lost his way in the woods. He stuck the book in his bag. He was in critical condition. I can do it in half the time. I have absolute trust in him. I saw a town in the distance. I was disappointed in my son. I'd like to live in New York. I'll be with you in a second. I'll send you home in my car. I've never seen him in jeans. In my opinion, he is correct. John is in the swimming club. Mary is studying in her room. She has a flower in her hand. She was hurt in the accident. The car was stuck in the mud. There is a hole in your sock. They speak Spanish in Mexico. This book sold well in Japan. Tom is still in the hospital. We are in favor of your plan. We traveled in South America. We were sweating in the heat. What do you have in your bag? What grade is your sister in? What line of work are you in? Don't interfere in my affairs. He always sings in the shower. He came in through the window. He has some money in the bank. He runs in the park every day. He'll be along in 10 minutes. I am the tallest in our class. I have many coins in this box. I put some cream in my coffee. I sat in the front of the bus. I think his life is in danger. I went for a walk in the park. I write in my diary every day. I'll be back in a few minutes. Is that what you have in mind?